Hello viewers, in less than 5 minutes, we will be simplifying 2 raised to the power 20 times 3 raised to the power 30. So we will be simplifying 2 raised to the power 20, and like you know, the exponent 20 can also be expressed as 2 times 10. So we still have the same base, 2 here and 2 here. All we did was to express 20 as 2 times 10. Now, from the law of indices, we have a raised to the power mn. What we are saying is that the base a, in this case, the base 2 raised to the power mn means m times n. In this case, we have 2 times 10, and that gives us a raised to the power m and then raised to the power of n. A raised to the power of m and then raised to the power of n. So that tells us that what we have as that expression can also be applied to the expression on the top right. And when we apply it, what we get is 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power of 10. Now looking at 2 raised to the power 20 is the same as 2 raised to the power 2 times 10, which is also equals to 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power of 10. Similarly, we have 3 raised to the power 30, which is the same as 3 raised to the power 3 times 10. And similarly, applying the law of indices, we have a raised to the power mn, and that gives us a raised to the power m raised to the power of n. So what we have here can also be applied. Therefore, we have 3 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 10 is the simplified form. So we have 3 raised to the power 30 is equals to 3 raised to the power 3 times 10, and which is also equals to 3 raised to the power 3 raised to the power. So the question of the day is 2 raised to the power 20 times 3 raised to the power 30. We have expressed our 2 raised to the power 20 below as 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 10. So what we have on top is the same as what we have at the bottom. Now 3 raised to the power 30 also we can express it as 3 raised to the power 3 raised to the power of 10. So we have expressed what we have on top as what we have at the bottom based on the law of indices. So let's simplify further. We have 2 raised to the power 2 all raised to the power 10 times 3 raised to the power 3 all raised to the power 10, which is the new expression. Now what we have in the brackets, 2 raised to the power 2, that's 4, and then now raised to the power 10. What we have inside this bracket is 3 raised to the power 3, which is also 27, and everything raised to the power 10. So our expression from the law of indices is when you have the same index but different bases and they are multiplying each other, all you need to do is to multiply them, the bases, and raise it to the common index. So what we have is 4 raised to the power 10 times 27 raised to the power 10, which will simply give us 4 times 27, which is 108, and that is also raised to the power of 10. So our answer, 2 raised to the power 20 times 3 raised to the power 30, is 108 raised to the power 10. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, subscribe, and share.